Alaigbo Youth Summit. You all highly invited to the Alaigbo Youth Summit that will take place in the beautiful city of Owerri. The young successful professionals of Igbo origin will gather and discuss the political and economic stability of Alaigbo. Come one, come all to this summit where the future of the young southeastern sons and daughters shall be discussed. Alaigbo Youth Summit 2023, redefining the political and the economic future of Alaigbo. This 2 days event will feature panel discussions, keynote speeches, networking from all over the world, exhibition, entertainment, live performance, unveiling of Vision 2050, the youth roadmap for Southeast, business plan competition where 1 million naira each will be given to 50 businesses, and lots more. Purchase your ticket at summit.theflashticketpro.com. Date 18th to 19th of December 2023. Venue is at Ayajoku Event Center, Owerri, Imo State. For more information and sponsorship, please contact Judith 080-696-89431 or Obina 081-607-34109.